It worked. Hello everyone, I'm in Edmonton, Alberta. We're at the great mall here, the Edmonton Mall. Lizzie. Yesterday when we were leaving the Alberta Overland Adventure Expo, I ran into a problem with my Defender hitch, the hitch that lifts the front of the trailer. And I wanted to explain to you how I fixed it, because I would hate to see you guys stuck in the same position. Basically what it come down to is to level my trailer, I had to lower it and lower it and lower the nose until the jack was almost completely retracted, almost completely to its up position. It was a bit of a steep field, right? So I had to get it all the way down to get it level. When I did that, it worked fine and all, but when we went to leave, the jack couldn't quite get enough, starting leverage to lift up. I would hit the button and it would just go, and it wouldn't move. Now, I was warned that this might happen only after I did it. What I've done is, to get this trailer level, I had to lower the front almost all the way down to the ground. But now that it's all the way to the ground, it can't get enough leverage to lift itself back up. It's effectively completely retracted. And so now I'm gonna have to use a bottle jack to put a bottle jack under there, lift it enough to get the Defender hitch jack to extend, hopefully. Let's see how this goes. Luckily, one of the other Ember owners that was there, Dieter, had just recently told me the story where he had this problem. And what I did, the same thing he did, is basically I put a bottle jack underneath the nose, underneath a piece of wood, and just jacked it up just this much. Just a couple of clicks of kicking up the jack was just enough for the Defender jack to then get enough energy to kick in and start lifting. So it just took 2 little lifts of a bottle jack. Wait, okay. Now what I did is I jacked it up just a tiny bit right here to get it off the ground a little bit in the hopes that it would then lift itself.
Yay! It's working!
It's working! It's working!
Had Dieter not told me this, I probably would have figured that my jack was broken. A lot of people have complained about like the cotter pin breaking or getting bound up, and I would just be immediately going to all of the troubleshooting steps of why is my jack broken? And it was never really broken. It was just, it's not meant to be all the way retracted and then lifting from that point. So if you do have to level your trailer all the way down on the nose, make sure you bring a bottle jack or some kind of jack to just bring it up an inch, and then the Defender hitch jack will just kick right in and lift you right up. Big thanks to Dieter for pointing that out to me. Before it happened to me, again, I would have been troubleshooting that jack from electrical to mechanical, and wouldn't have thought to just lift up the RV a little bit with a jack, and that was the fix. So this is where being part of an Ember community really becomes helpful. If my good buddy Dieter, who's here at our unofficial Ember...
Right there behind us.
Right there behind us. If
Yep.
Dieter wasn't here, part of the Ember community that's gathered here at this event, he just told me a story where he did this very same thing, where he lowered it so much to get it level that he couldn't get it to lift back up. Had he not told me that story, had I not heard about that, I would have flat out just assumed my jack was broken there. So this just points to be part of the community. Join the Facebook group for Ember if you're an Ember user, or whatever RV you use. Think about joining a user group so that you have a community to rely on for help. Number 2, don't give up so easily and draw conclusions. It wasn't broken at all. I just need to take the weight off the jack a little bit. And again, had Dieter not told this to me, I probably would have jumped the gun and assumed we've got a major problem with our jack, that our jack is broken. So if it happens to you, make sure you stick a bottle jack or some sort of jack underneath the hitch. Jack it up just a little bit so the weight is off the Defender hitch jack, and then you'll see maybe that the hitch jack now starts to work again. Give it a try. That's right, I'm in Alberta, and we've been going through Alberta and BC for the last couple of weeks. I got a whole lot of videos coming. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and make sure that you check the links below for my Patreon and other ways to get in touch with me. It worked.